In this video, I am going to show you how to use ChatGPT so well that it feels illegal. The difference between a beginner user of ChatGPT and an intermediate or advanced user is actually massive. My goal in this video is to teach you exactly how you should be using ChatGPT to take advantage of all of its functions. There are so many new features, but I see so many people still using ChatGPT the old way, so my promise to you is if you watch this video from beginning to end, you will leave as a much better user. I use ChatGPT every single day, and I will show you all my tricks and how it makes my life so much better. It has helped me so much, and I really hope it will help you out too. Hi, my name is Shoaib, and I am a digital avatar created with AI. So let's get started. Right, so number one is ChatGPT can see things now. This means that we can actually upload photos, screenshots directly to the ChatGPT chat. As you can see here, I uploaded an image of a car and simply asked it, "What car is this?" ChatGPT then searches and displays the information. It is showing me that the car is a Lamborghini Huracan STO. You can then go further and ask deeper information. When was it released? How many were made? And so on and so forth. You should know that ChatGPT can analyze any image for you. You can take a picture of what is inside your fridge and ask it to create you a recipe. You can really get creative with this one. I will give you another example now. Here I have uploaded an image of a box of mangoes. As you can see, I have just asked ChatGPT which mango is the best to eat to right now. It analyzes the image and chooses the one it thinks is the best, and also gives me a reason why. I then ask it a further question to try and dive deeper. I ask how long for the rest of the mangoes will take to reach the level of the previously chosen mango. It's pretty cool. You can break anything down as deep as you want. Why don't you have a go? Number two, ChatGPT is a data nerd. So what I mean by this is you can actually upload big files and get ChatGPT to summarize, work through, read, and analyze the data for you. So instead of just reading through a 25-page contract, you can upload it directly and ask it, "Hey, is there anything in this contract that I should be aware of? Can you point them out to me or highlight any issues?" You can upload PDFs, CSVs. This will definitely save you loads of time, especially if you are handling large amounts of data. Try upload a spreadsheet and ask it questions to find a response. You can upload whole chapters of text and ask it to summarize into 10 bullet points if you wanted. It really is a machine when it comes to analyzing data. Moving on to number three, which is how to use the projects feature in ChatGPT. Here you can go over to the side panel on the left and click on projects. It will bring up a window and you can name your project. As an example, I will call this one wedding plan. Hit create project. This will then create you one space for the wedding. You can then open the project and add files like your itinerary, wedding invites, guest lists, venues, etc. This is everything ChatGPT will use to help create the context needed for this project. Number four on the list is how to use ChatGPT as your very own writer. If you didn't already know, ChatGPT is a very strong writer. You just need to know how to use it. You are wasting time if you are not utilizing this for your writing tasks. Let's say you wanted to write a letter to your landlord as you had major repairs at your property and he has been ignoring your phone calls. You can give as much information as you can in a paragraph and context and explain the situation. You can then ask ChatGPT to write you a formal letter. The more information you give, the better. Or you can just take the first draft ChatGPT gives you and work on it from there. Another example is, if you receive an email and you want the best reply, you can copy that email into a new chat on ChatGPT and as it for a reply. Or two, you can then choose your best one. You can really dictate the outcome, the style. You can give it prompts like, make it formal, make it relaxed, be firm with the response. It is all about the instructions that you give. You may have written something yourself and you find it is too long. Just say, ChatGPT, please summarize this. You can even choose how many words or characters you need the text to be. Remember, ChatGPT needs prompts and your instruction. It will do what you ask. You are in charge. This brings us to the last point in the video. Number five, how to use ChatGPT to create images. We have already covered how it can analyze images, but did you know you can use this to create images? Let's give this a go. Head over to ChatGPT and click on New Chat. For this example, I am going to upload an image of a car and a separate image of alloy wheels. I am going to ask it to add the alloy wheels to the image of the car so we can get a sense of how it will look. Here we go. As you can see, I have explained the situation. That I am thinking of buying new alloys and I want to see how my car would look. I will show you which alloys I am thinking of purchasing and also my car. Let's see what ChatGPT can do for us. It may take a little while depending on which ChatGPT model you are using, free or paid, etc. Success! Here is the image ChatGPT has created for us. It has actually done a decent job with combining both the alloys and the car. As you can see, it has also added tyres, brake calipers, discs, etc. Sometimes it may not get the image exactly how you want it, so you can always go back and ask it to make the changes you would like. So, as you can see, there are so many cool ways you can use ChatGPT to enhance your life. Make work life easier, as well as personal. This is just a small percentage of things you can actually do with ChatGPT. I will create more tutorials and videos for you to watch and learn from. ChatGPT is actually just one of many LLMs. An LLM is a large language model, but I do not want to confuse you. Stay tuned, subscribe, and that like button for more informative videos. Thank you.